I'm picking up my brand new Rolls-Royce Spectre today. This is an exciting moment for me. Look, I'm here at Rolls-Royce. This is the first time I have ever customized a Rolls-Royce from scratch. So this is a moment for me and I want to share it with you guys. Let's go. Hi, what's up? Nice to see you, man.
Pleasure meeting you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Wow.
Here we are. Normally, I'm coming into Rolls-Royce to film someone else's car. Today, not today. I get to film my own car, which is super special. Oh, we love boxes.
Yeah, do you?
Oh, we love boxes. Okay, do you want to reveal it? You do the honors.
Absolutely. Here we go.
Oh, nice. My new Spectre keys. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Yeah. Here we go.
Okay, I'm going to customize this later on. I might put a logo or something here on the back. That'd be cool. This car has literally been in the showroom for 2 months. And they're like, when are you going to come pick it up? When are you going to come pick it up? And I've been traveling so much, I haven't been able to pick it up until now. And they have been keeping this under wraps. I have not seen it yet, first time. So I want to experience this moment with you guys. Here we go, look at this. This is really cool. When I press this, look what happens. Ready? Hold it in, the lights go on. We've got the light up grille here as well that you get with the Spectre. And here, watch this. When I open it, look what I've chosen, the light up Spirit of Ecstasy. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, I'm kind of nervous because what happens when you customize a Rolls-Royce or any car from scratch is you get like tiny little color swabs to choose the entire interior from, and you're like, I don't know if it's going to match. I don't know. I'm nervous. So let's see. Should we just do this?
Are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready. Wait, you take this. I'm going to pull off the cover, okay? Because this is my kind of my deal, right? I pull off covers. You want to? Oh, you be my handbag guy. Thank you. Okay. All right. Are you ready? I'm ready. I'm excited. Okay. Should I do it from here? All right. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you know, just the classic beautiful black. And, oh, look at these wheels. Look at the bling, look at the bling, look at the bling. Is this not the shiniest wheel you have ever seen in your life? Oh my God. So I went for classic black because it's timeless. But then I was like, but you gotta have something really cool, right? And bam, there they are. These are 23-inch rims, and these are the biggest wheels on any Rolls-Royce ever. Look, you've also got, I customized this as well, the color, right? The coach line color is in turquoise along here because it matches the interior. Look at this Spirit, look at it. So this is the very first time that you can get a light up Spirit on a Rolls-Royce, and I just thought, yes, why not? How freaking cool is that? And that's also why I chose the black. So at night, this is going to shine and really stand out against that black. But of course, all of this is extra. Even this color right here, extra. And now the interior, this is my first look. Please be nice, please be nice, please be nice. Please be just as beautiful as I wanted it to be. Oh, wow. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Oh, wow, I can't believe this is mine. Ah. So I got grey here, and then you've got the hints of the turquoise, and then the white, and I just love this color combination. What do you think? And then here, of course, I had to get the Starlight doors. This is the first time on any Rolls-Royce where you can get Starlight doors. And the Starlights on the doors, there's almost 5,000 hand-placed stars. And at night, again, you're gonna see just how beautiful that is. And I already have the electric plug, the electric charging cable, Rolls-Royce charging cable, already installed in the house so that when I come home, it'll be ready to go. Plug it in, charge her up. But look, you can kind of see now just how beautiful this turquoise coach line is, matching with the turquoise inside. Do you want to come and join me inside? Oh, come on in, come on in. Wow, and we got the Starlight roof. And what I love, and I'm so glad I did this, is I've got all of this turquoise here at the front, I'm so glad I went for turquoise at the front. It just gives it a little bit something extra. I was just pressing the brake to turn it on. This door closes automatically. Quite cool. All right, let's turn it on. Here we go, turquoise, turquoise, to match the turquoise interior because I'm just baller like that. I'm actually, yeah, this is really amazing. This is a moment for me, you guys, because it has taken years and years and years to get to this point where I can customize my very first Rolls-Royce, and I am absolutely stoked. We've got the Spectre sign over here with all of the little lit up lights as well. I just went for like this piano black across here because I just thought it would really complement the turquoise. Oh, you know what was interesting? I could pick whether I wanted 2 colors on the wheel, but if I did that, then I wouldn't get cruise control. So I'm like, no, I'd rather have cruise control and just the 1 color. So we just went with the black on the wheel. I got the darker gray mats for the floor. Look how plush they are. There's always something in the glove box with new cars, so let's see. Yeah, here we go. Little Rolls-Royce envelope. This car has been personally road tested. Okay, good to know. All right, let's open her up and see, because I might have all my specs. Thank you for your purchase of your new Rolls-Royce. I'm gonna have this car for years. I've had my Rolls-Royce Wraith Black Badge for 5 years, and I literally would keep it for another 5 years plus if I wasn't getting the Spectre. This car is gonna be in the family for 10 years. I know it. Oh, umbrella. We gotta see which umbrella color I got. I can't remember. It's on, let's have a look. Come around here. I can't remember what color I got. It'll match though. Yes, turquoise and white and grey. All 3. Oh my god, I can't believe I have my own Rolls-Royce umbrella. First time ever. Normally, if you just want 1 colour, you can do that. That's standard. If you want 3 colours like this, it's extra. Ka-ching. And I was like, I saw everything just being priced up, and I'm like, take my money before I regret it. Oh my god. So what I quite liked that they did this time is you can get a darker color on the interior, so that because this part here is really the part that kind of gets worn down the most because you're constantly sitting on it and you're sliding in and out of the car. So I got this part as the darker gray, and then these as the accents, the lighter accents, because these won't get as much, you know, friction, right, when you're sitting on it. And then the door, I just went for the same color combination there, with the gray, on the most of the gray being on the door where the lights are, so that you will be able to see the lights on the door the best against that gray. And yeah, I mean, even the Starlight roof, you still need to pay for that. Like that does not come standard. Even though you think, oh yeah, it's Rolls-Royce, it got the Starlight roof. No. Ching. Extra for the lights. Extra for the stitching. Extra for the piping. Extra, extra, extra. Extra for the leather around the seat belts. This as well, you see the perforation here? That's an optional extra because that provides seat ventilation, so that'll cool you down. These plush things, they don't come with it. You've got to pay extra for that. This is how detailed everything is. Even the leather cover here on all of these levers is, you guessed it, extra. Ka-ching! Coach line, extra. What else? Some of these things I didn't even know. I was like, I paid extra for that? All right. Here, you get to scan a QR code. Here we go, Whispers. So Whispers pops up. You go into your app. Now you can control your Rolls-Royce from the app. The app is called Whispers, and you can cool down your car before you get in. You can set a departure plan, so the car is perfectly set up for you to get in and drive off. So this is the most connected Rolls-Royce ever made. Did you actually match flowers to my interior? Yes. Look at that, that's the Rolls-Royce experience. They have matched flowers to my interior. Thank you guys so much. Wow. That's special. That's really special. Don't you love how I'm more impressed by the flowers than the car? I'm like, oh my God, the flowers match the car. That's the girl in me coming out. All right, what do you guys think? I'm gonna take it out. I'm rolling it out of the showroom today. It's already registered and I'm gonna take it home. It's gonna sit in my driveway. So quiet. So first ever fully electric Rolls-Royce. I feel I need to whisper because it's like normal speaking voice sounds so loud in here. It's very strange. It feels quieter than the combustion engine Rolls. And even though they do such an incredible job with insulation, this is just... And it's like driving on butter. Listen. That is your official electric Rolls-Royce sound as you accelerate. It's very subtle. Sounds a little bit like the fully electric BMWs now, like the iX. So 585 horsepower. And let's just see, because it's an electric, I'm just gonna hit it a little bit. Ready? Ooh, now we're talking, Rolls. Rolls-Royce has always been super powerful, but now with the electric car, it's just, the torque is bam. It's 4.4 seconds, 0 to 100. It's not, you know, in the 2-second range or under 2 seconds, but it still feels quicker off the mark. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I love this car. All my road rage goes away when I drive a Rolls-Royce, and I'm just so happy to have this car. And I wanted all the colours, the stars. You see the stars now? They're coming out at night. Can't wait to sit in the back because then you can see all of the stars lit up. That's it. Oh, what an experience. That's it. What do you guys reckon? I'm off. If you see me out on the road, say hi.